Now we get into something exciting, the awards, always a highlight of any event. We are about to enter an exciting phase where we're going to divide this into two parts. We're going to start with the first part. Um, all these people who are getting awards today are the true pioneers and innovators who are driving the digital transformation in the AA ecosystem. And it's my absolute pleasure to welcome and introduce someone. Though we always say he doesn't need an introduction, we end up introducing him because he deserves an introduction. He has been at the forefront of India's remarkable digital revolution. To present the awards, I call upon a true visionary who has been a transformative leader in reshaping India's technological landscape. Please join me in welcoming the non-executive chairman of Infosys and a true pioneer of India's digital infrastructure, Mr. Nandan Nilekani. He is not just an architect of Aadhaar and UPI, but also a philanthropist, key influencer in shaping India's future through his leadership at Ekstep and as the co-chair of the G20 Task Force on Digital Public Infrastructure. It's an honor to have you with us today, sir. Okay, are you guys ready for the awards? So before we get into the competition awards, a special token of appreciation goes to Spice Route Legal for their volunteering and unwavering support on legal matters throughout the year. Calling upon Mr. Matthew Chaco, partner Spice Route Legal, to receive our token of appreciation. Yeah, after this. Now we are going to move into the 3I Use Case Competition Awards in partnership with Finarkin Analytics. I would like to call upon stage Mr. Dheeraj Kumar, who is the co-founder and CTO of Finarkin. He's also had a stint as a volunteer at Samiti. Please come to stage, sir. Our first award for Digital Transformation Award goes to Team Bajaj Finance Limited, Money One, recognized for their comprehensive adoption of the AA network across product offerings and positioning AAs as a core building block of their digital transformation strategy. Come on. Beyond Credit Award goes, this category had two finalists, by the way. Award 1 goes to GenWise in collaboration with Safe AA and Ignosis. They're recognized for the innovative use of AA data to offer personalized investment advice, empowering clients with tailored financial solutions. As they are taking the photographs, I would like to tell you the second finalist, SBI Life Insurance in partnership with NADL, AA and Finarkin Analytics, recognized for integrating AA data to enhance underwriting processes and improving customer experience in the insurance sector. Keep clapping, guys. It's an award ceremony. Okay, while they take their picture, we have the next category, financial inclusion. Even here, we had two finalists. The award 1 goes to Karnataka Bank in collaboration with FinView AA and Ignosis and was recognized for its commitment to financial inclusion through the effective use of AA data. Okay. As they get their award, I would like to announce the second finalist. HDFC Bank, in partnership with Anumati AA and FinAGG, was recognized for leveraging AA data to extend credit and financial services to street vendors under the Swanidhi Yojana scheme. Congratulations. Okay, as they take their photograph, I want to announce the last award. Risk Management Award goes to Helpage Finlease Limited in collaboration with FinView AA and FinAGG. They were recognized for the innovative loan monitoring system which minimizes credit risk and improves portfolio quality by leveraging real-time data. A huge round of applause to all the 6 winners. Thank you.